This is the air conditioning vest, super cool. I ordered a size extra large and it fits just right. It is adjustable, you can remove the hood if you want to. And it has two fans. You plug them in right here. You can run the cable through and Velcro it here. And then you need to provide your own portable charger. So I have my power adapter charger right here. Okay, has a built-in pocket to slide it in, and then you just push this button to turn it on. It has 3 different settings. So green is the lowest setting, and this is off. So the first setting on red is the highest setting, and then you can put it on blue or green. There you go. So it works awesome. It was easy to install the fans. So you just put this fan in here, and then it has a little ring that you use to tighten it up around it right here. So fantastic, stay cool.